Hi, my name is Shreeya. I live in Panchkula. I'm in grade 9 and I'm 15 years old. And today I'm going to tell you about the Pomopal. As digital learning becomes our mandatory reality, we spend hours folded into the shape of a shrimp, a posture our spines and moms absolutely hate.
Look at your posture. How close are you to the screen? You'll get glasses. Sit properly.
Yikes. This constant grind has birthed a physiological disaster, the tech neck. As focus deepens, students subconsciously adopt a caveman posture. Research shows that for every 1 inch the head tilts forward, the neck supports an additional 10 pounds of stress. This affects 73% of students, leading to chronic headaches and a 40% drop in respiratory efficiency. Furthermore, 90% of computer users suffer from digital eye strain or repetitive strain injury due to poor lighting and incorrect screen distance. That's why I created the Pomopal. The device uses an ultrasonic sensor to map the hunch line. An ultrasonic sensor measures distance by emitting high frequency sound waves and timing how long they take to bounce back off an object. If the user moves within 45 centimeters of the screen, the Pomopal triggers an alert message, flashes red lights, and buzzes to prompt immediate correction. This automates ergonomic coaching and reduces headaches by maintaining a safe focal length from the screen. The Pomopal is named after its Pomodoro timer system. Based on Francesco Carrillo's productivity breakthrough, it segments work into intervals to prevent cognitive burnout and procrastination, a method proven to increase task completion by 22%. The Pomopal uses this Pomodoro theory to choose the focus time of 2, 5, 15, 25, 45, or 60 minutes by short presses to switch options and a long press to select. The elemental aura system uses a neopixel ring to use chromotherapy, scientifically proven to boost productivity. Users can toggle between legendary modes. Ocean blue for calm focus. Nature green is engineered to enhance memory retention by 15%. Galaxy purple triggers deep creative immersion, and dragonfire mimics sunlight to spike alertness during energy dips. It's a biological hack that replaces a sterile desk with an environment tailored to your brain chemistry. Lastly, this device kills the boredom of studying by turning your desk into an arcade game. It gamifies every minute with motivational messages in between, like legendary focus, a countdown at the end, and a mission complete rainbow victory dance. In between, in the 60-minute intervals too, confetti explosions show when you're crushing it. In the start, the three libraries are defined for controlling the OLED display and LED ring. Then all the hardware pins are defined for the sensors, like the touch sensor, NeoPixel, buzzer, ultrasonic sensor, and echo pins, and the number of LEDs too. The constant, hunch distance, is set to 45 centimeters, which is the distance limit used to detect if the user is sitting too close. Objects are created for the OLED display and the NeoPixel. Variables are defined to store the start time, total session time, selected minutes, the chosen LED color, and a boolean called running to track whether the timer is active or not. The setup function initializes everything. It sets the pin modes for input and output devices. It starts the display and LED strip. Then, it shows a welcome message saying the Pomodoro timer on the OLED and a colorful rainbow animation on the LEDs while playing short buzzer tones. Next, the timer duration is chosen using the touch sensor. Each tap cycles through preset time options. Holding the touch sensor confirms the selection. After selecting time, a focus element color theme is chosen with the same method. Finally, it shows core ready, tap to ignite, and starts the timer. The loop function keeps running. There are four main behaviors inside the loop. 1. The final countdown. If 3 seconds or less remain, the display shows a big countdown number. The buzzer plays a tone and the LEDs flash white, creating a dramatic ending effect. 2. The motivational mode. Every 5 minutes or 300,000 milliseconds, it briefly runs a confetti LED effect and shows legendary focus on the screen to motivate the user. 3. The posture alert. If the ultrasonic sensor detects that the user is closer than 45 centimeters, it triggers a posture warning. The buzzer turns on, the screen displays back up, hunch alert, and the LEDs turn red. And 4, the focus mode, which is normal operation. If none of the above conditions are active, the device stays in focus mode. The buzzer remains off, the display shows the remaining time in minutes and seconds, and the LED ring gradually decreases as time passes. The number of lit LEDs represents how much time is left. When the total time is reached, the timer stops and a victory sequence begins, showing mission complete with a rainbow LED animation and buzzer tones. I hope you like learning about the Pomopal. Thank you so much for watching.